Have you ever wondered why an ordinary egg that sells for just $2 in a local shop can be priced at a surprising price $1,500 in a 5-star luxury hotel? It's not about the egg itself, but rather the environment it's served in and the company you keep. Let's start by examining the local shop scenario. In this environment, the egg is just a simple, everyday item. People come and go, rushing through their daily routines without paying much attention to it. The egg is just one of many products, and its value is determined only by its practical use. Now, let's switch gears and step into the world of luxury. Imagine yourself in a lavish hotel suite, surrounded by luxury furniture, breathtaking views, and best service. When you order breakfast, that same ordinary egg transforms into something extraordinary. The egg is carefully prepared by a world-class chef. It's perfectly cooked, seasoned with best spices, and served on fine dish. The environment elevates the simple egg from a simple thing to a symbol of luxury and richness. The same principle applies to the company you keep. Surrounding yourself with inspiring, successful individuals who are passionate about their goals can have a profound impact. When you spend time with people who are constantly working for greatness, their mindset and energy become contagious. Your environment is not just physical, it's also the activities and experiences you engage in. Engaging in positive activities, such as reading inspiring books, attending motivational seminars, or participating in personal development workshops, creates an environment that switches on your growth and success. On the other side, if you find yourself surrounded by negative influences, whether it's people who constantly complain or discourage your ambitions, then your environment becomes toxic. It can hinder your progress, drain your energy, and limit your potential. So, what can we learn from this? First, it's essential to be mindful of the company you keep. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to become the best version of yourself. Seek out mentors and role models who can guide you on your journey to success. Secondly, consciously create a positive environment for yourself. Engage in activities that uplift and motivate you. Fill your surroundings with reminders of your goals. Cultivate an atmosphere that fuels your ambition and encourages personal growth. Remember, you have the power to shape your environment and choose the company you keep. By doing so, you can unlock your full potential and create a life of motivation, success, and luxury. Thank you for joining me today on Lux Point. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Embrace the power of your environment and watch as you transform $2 egg into a $1,500 experience.